Hi, I'm Penny from Smart Financial. Home fires tend to peak in December and January, so you'll want to follow good fire safety practices during the holidays. While standard home insurance does cover damages caused by fires, the best insurance claim is the one you don't have to file. Tip 1. Always set up your Christmas tree at least 3 feet away from a fire source to prevent it from catching fire. If you're buying a live Christmas tree, remember to water it regularly to keep it from becoming dry and brittle. Tip 2. Be careful when handling Christmas tree lights. You should avoid using electric lights on metal trees and using staples or nails to hang lights. Instead, opt for plastic holders. Finally, ensure that your power strips are not overloaded to prevent electrical fires. Tip 3. Remember to burn candles on non-flammable surfaces and to keep them away from flammable items. Also, don't forget to extinguish your candles before going to bed or leaving the house. Tip 4. Ensure your fire alarms and smoke detectors are working properly so you're alerted when a fire does happen. Test them and replace the batteries or the unit itself if necessary. Also, have a fire extinguisher on hand and learn how to properly operate and maintain it. Let Smart Financial help you find the right policy for homeowners insurance. Click the link in the description box below for a free home insurance quote.